Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about revision of letters. Okay, so we are going to do picture reading for each and every letter. I hope you all have learned all the sounds, right? In one of my video I have taught you all the sounds from letter A to Z, all the 26 sounds. If you want, you can go and check my video too. I will give the link in the description box, okay, for the letter sounds. So today we are going to do a quick recap of all the sounds, okay. Ready? Let's start. Now I want everyone to repeat after me, okay. So let's jump into the letters. Come on. Letter A. A sounds apple. Apple. So children, one thing very important, whenever you are telling any picture, you have to say the sound, okay. So apple starts with which letter, children? Letter A, and A makes a sound A. So you can say apple. Apple. So instead of telling A for apple, you can say A for apple, okay. So practice in that way. Come on, let's jump to the next letter. After A, which letter will come? B. Mama B, baby B. B sounds B. Don't say ba, okay, that is wrong. B. Bear. Bear. Yes, bear starts with which letter, children? B, and B makes a sound B. After B, which letter will come? C. Yes, let's see. This is letter C, and C sounds K. It's a voiceless letter. You should not say ka, okay. K. Mama C, baby C. C sounds K. Cat. Cat. Very good. After C, which letter will come? D. Mama D, baby D. D sounds D. So D is a vowel or consonant? What is it? It's a consonant, right? So you should not drag consonant sounds, okay? You should always say D. Dog. Dog. Dog starts with which letter? D. Dog. Can you say da? No, that's wrong. You should say D. So after D, which letter will come? E. It's a vowel. Yes, it's a vowel. E. Mama E, baby E. E sounds egg. Okay, very good. Okay. Yes, after E, which letter will come? F. Mama F, baby F. The name of the letter is F, and F will make the sound fish. What's the sound, children? 5. Number 5 starts with letter F. Can we say fa? Put your thumbs down and say no, ma'am. It's not fa, okay. Correct sound is very good. Okay. So after F, which letter will come, children? G. Mama G, baby G. The name of the letter is G. G makes a sound G. G is a consonant, okay. Green. What is this color, children? Green. Green. Guitar. Guitar. So what's the sound of G, children? G. Don't say ga, okay. It's G. Yes. After G, which letter will come? H. Mama H, baby H. Mama H, baby H. And H makes a sound hat. Hand. Head. Okay, it's again a voiceless letter. Don't say ha ha ha. No, that's wrong. You should say ha ha. Okay. After H, which letter will come? I. I. It's another vowel. Okay. Mama I, baby I. I is a vowel. So what's the sound of I? I sounds E. 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 Igloo. E. E. Igloo. E. E. After I, which letter will come? J. Very good. This is Mama J, baby J. And J makes the sound J. 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 Jug. J. J. Jag. J. J. J is a consonant. Okay. After J, which letter will come? Yes, it's K. Mama K, baby K. K sounds k, 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 kite. K, k, kite. There is one more letter now which makes the same sound. Which letter is that? Yes, it's letter C. Yes, children, you are right. Both C and K will make the same sound. And what is the sound, children? K, 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 k. Both C and K, they have same sound. The sound is k, k. It is not different sound, okay? It is same sound. K. Okay, so after K, which letter will come? L. L. Mama L, baby L. Mama L, baby L. L makes a sound L. L. I have heard many children telling L sounds la, la. That is wrong. Put your thumbs down. Say no, that's wrong. It is not la. What is the correct sound, children? L. 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 Lollipop. L. L. Lion. L. L. Lion. Yes, lion starts with letter L. L. And L is a consonant. So, consonants don't like if you drag its sound, okay? So, should never drag consonant sound, children. Should say L. What's the sound? L. Very good. After L, which letter will come? M. Mama M, baby M. Mama M, baby M. M makes a sound rub it tummy. Mug. Mug. Mother. Mother. There's so many words which starts with M. Monday. Moon. Mango. What is the sound, children? Can we say ma? Put your thumbs down and say no. It's What's the correct sound? Very good. After M, which letter will come? Yes, you are right. N. N. Mama N, baby N. Mama N, baby N. N makes a sound Come on, try. Nest. Nest. Which number is this? 9. Come on, everybody show me your 9 fingers. 9. Nose. Touch your nose. Nose. Neck. Which body part is this? Neck. Neck. Very good. So, nose, neck, lion, nest. All these start with letter N. And N makes a sound Very good. Good job. After N, which letter will come? O. Yes, you're right. It's O. O. Mama O, baby O. Mama O, baby O. O is a vowel. Okay, it's a very special letter. What is the sound of O? Short sound. Oh. 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 Orange. Oh. Oh. Orange. Yes, orange starts with letter O and it makes a sound O. Very good. Superb, children. Very nicely you all are repeating. Okay. So, let's see the next letter. So, children, after O, which letter will come? Yes, it's letter P. P sounds P. 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 Mama P, baby P. Mama P, baby P. P makes a sound P. Can we say pa? No. Put your thumbs down and say no. It's not pa. It's p. P. It's a voiceless letter. Okay. So please make sure when you are telling the sound, you should not say pa. That's wrong. You should say p. 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 Parrot. P. P. Parrot. P. P. Pen. P. P. Pen. Very good. So after P, which letter will come? Letter Q. Letter Q. Mama Q, baby Q. Mama Q, baby Q. Q makes a sound qu. Q makes a sound qu. Qu, qu, quilt. Qu, qu, quilt. Qu. After Q, which letter will come? R. R. Mama R, baby R. Mama R, baby R. R makes a sound. Rabbit. 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 Don't say ra. Can we say ra, children? No, it's not ra. It's rabbit. Red. There's a color. No, what's the color? Red. Red. Ring. Ring. After R, which letter will come? Letter S. Mama S, baby S. Mama S, baby S. S makes a sound s. 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 Let's make s. 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 What I have? S. Star. S. Star. Star starts with letter S. S. Sun. S. Sun. S. S. After S, which letter will come, children? T. Mama T, baby T. Mama T, baby T. T makes a sound t. T. It's again a voiceless letter. Don't say ta ta ta. No. T. 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 Tiger. T. T. Tiger. T. T. 10. T. T. 10. Yes, number 10 starts with letter T. T. After T, which letter will come? Letter U. Mama U, baby U. Mama U, baby U. U is a vowel, okay? And U makes a sound umbrella. Umbrella. Yes, U is a vowel. After U, which letter will come? V. V. Mama V, baby V. V makes a sound. You have to bite your lip. Try the sound. It's a very difficult one. Most of you are confused. Come on. Think that you are driving a van. 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 Violin. 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 Vegetables. Vegetables. Can we say wa? No, it's not wa. Okay. After V, which letter will come? It's letter W. Mama W, baby W. Mama W, baby W. W makes a sound w. 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 Watermelon. W. W. Watermelon. W. W. Water. W. W. Water. W. W. Watch. W. W. Watch. W will make the sound w. So most of you are confused with V and W. What is the sound of V? What's the sound of W? W. W. Okay? Don't get confused with these two sounds. Okay? After W, which letter will come, children? X. Mama X, baby X. Mama X, baby X. X makes a sound x. 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 At the end of the words, you can hear the x sound. Okay? I will show you one picture. What is this? Box. Box. B-ox. Box. B-ox. Box. At the end of this word, you can hear x sound. So when x will make sound, children? when it is at the end of a word. Okay, so there are so many sounds for letter X, so I'll be slowly teaching you in my coming videos. Okay, so let's learn. So the basic sound of X is X, X, and X will say X when it is at the end of a word. So now after X, which letter will come? Y. Y. Mama Y, baby Y. Mama Y, baby Y. Y makes a sound Y. 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 Yellow. Which color? What is the color? Yellow. Y. Y. Yak. Y. Y. Yak. Y says Y. Y sounds Y. After Y, the last letter Z. Mama Z, baby Z. Mama Z, baby Z. Z sounds zebra. Zebra. Zero. Which number is this? Zero. Zero. So this is last letter. Yes. And the letter name is Z. Okay. It's also called as Z also. Z or Z. And it makes a sound Z. Okay, well done children. So we have revised the letter names, letter sounds along with pictures. Okay, so you can learn the letters through pictures. Okay, so whenever I show any picture after learning and revising, you can play a game. Okay, so take out any one picture from the card and see which letter. What is this children? Orange. So orange starts with which letter? O. O makes a sound O. You can practice like this. Okay. Next, I'll hide the letter. What is this? Which fruit is this? Watermelon. Okay. Watermelon. So watermelon starts with which letter? W. Which letter will make the sound W? Letter W. Yes. W. W makes a sound W. Very good. Let's see one more. I'll randomly pick one. Okay. Even I don't know which letter will come. Okay. Let's see what is the picture. What is this? Rabbit. Rabbit starts with which letter? R. R makes a sound. Okay. Let's see one more. What is this? What is this? Which pet animal is this? Yes, it's a cat. Cat starts with which letter? Cat. Yes, it's letter C. And C sounds k, k, k. Very good. Well done. Give me a big high five. High five. Superb. Okay. So that's it for today's video. So revise the letters, letter name, letter sounds through pictures. Okay. So take out any one picture and try to say the sound. So children, that's it for today's video. Have a great day. Bye bye children.